Campaign features. Today I'm going to show you through the campaign feature. A campaign is a scheduled attention-grabbing advertisement shown to Wi-Fi users, and it can be shown in the form of an image or a video. Let me now step you through how to create one, simply by pressing New, then type in my campaign name, and I'm going to call mine New Flavour Campaign. And I choose to select an image campaign. Click Next. I can now upload my image for tablet and laptop view and select my image. Click Next. Then I need to upload an image for mobile view. Again, select my image. Next. I can now schedule the campaign so I can select my dates, my times, and what I want to show the content on. So I'm going to choose to not show it on Sundays, for example. And then I can activate my campaign. Click Save, and now it appears in the list. And then we can see what it looks like in Portal View. This is how it would display for laptop and tablet. And that's it. It's as simple and easy to use.